Okay, so once again, very good morning, everyone. Yesterday, we have discussed some questions from the second test paper, that is test paper 2. Okay, so now the third question which we have from the test paper is the third question of the test paper which we have, it is asking about the statement true or false. The statements are given, you have to tell the statement is true or the statement is false. Okay, so the first question which it is asking is 267 multiply 18 is equal to 200 plus 60 plus 7 multiply 18. So is this statement true or false, that you have to tell. So very simply you can see here we have 267. The same thing we have just written here, the expanded form of this. So the same number we have written here by expanding. So here we have 200, so we have written 200, plus here we have 610, so we have written 60, and then here we have 71, so we have written 7, and multiply by 18, so multiply by 18. So definitely this statement will be true. इसका मतलब ये statement जो है, the first statement of second question is of third question is true. Okay, so let's see the second question which we have. It is asking 49 divided by 7. 49 divided by 7 is equal to 4 plus 3 multiply 7. So check once, 4 plus 3 means how much? So 4 plus 3 means 7, right? So 7 multiply 7 is equal to how much? So 7 multiply 7 is 49, right? Which is not equal to this. This is 49 divided by 7, right? So here this is coming 49 only. So this statement is not true. That means this statement is false. So the second statement which it is given is not true. That means this is false. Okay? Understood, everyone? Next which we have is the third question, which it is asking about 8 in 7 by 8 is its numerator. So we have learned in fractional number what the numerator is and what the denominator is, right? So here we have 8 in 7 by 8 is its numerator. It is asking that 8 is in numerator. Quickly tell me, everyone, is it true or false? 8 is in numerator or is it in denominator? So quickly tell me in message, everyone. Akshat Raj, very good. Pranav Anand. Sannuta Bharadwaj, Akriti, Swati. Okay. Whoever saying false is the correct answer. Why? Because 7 we have in numerator, but here it is asking 8. ये बोल रहा है, this statement is saying 8 in this is its numerator. So 8 is in denominator, 8 not is in numerator. Okay. So if it says 7 is in numerator, then that statement will be correct. But because here it is asking 8 is in numerator, that's why the statement is false. So the statement will only be true when it is saying 7 is in numerator. Or if it is saying 8 is in denominator, then also the statement will be true. Okay. So this one done. Now let's move to the next one which we have in the true and false. So 6/8 is written as, so 6/8 is written as 6/8 is written as 6/8. So definitely in fractional number we have learned that we can read the fractional number like 6. If it is 6/8, then we can write 6/8 like this. Okay, so this statement is also true, right? 6, 8, 7, 8, it may be 4, 9. So whatever in the numerator, that we used to write first, and denominator we used to write then. And here you have to check this is 8. THS is there. THS is there means divided by 8. Okay. Okay. Next what we have is fifth one of third. So third ka this one is the fourth one. Now let's discuss the fifth one. 50 paise more than the double of rupees 20 is equal to 4100 paise. So this type of question we have learned in exercise 8.5. If you remember, that double of any amount means multiply by 2, right? Double of any amount means multiply by 2, and this much of more means 20 paise you have to just add with the double of 20. So double of rupees 20 means how much? Double of rupees 20 means rupees 20 multiplied 2, that means rupees 40. So rupees 40 is the double of rupees 20, and 50 paise more than the double of 20. So therefore 50 paise more than that is equal to rupees 40 decimal 50 means 40 rupees 50 paise. So 40 rupees 50 paise means 40 rupees 50 paise. If you want to convert in paise, then just decimal will be removed because this was before 2-digit decimal is there. Okay. So if you multiply by 100, before 2-digit decimal will come and it will become, if you convert into paise, it will become 4050 paise. But here it is asking 4100 paise, so which is not correct. So this statement will also be false. This statement will also be false. Okay, understood everyone? ये भी स्टेटमेंट क्या हो जाएगा? फॉल्स हो जाएगा. क्यों फॉल्स होगा? क्योंकि हमारा जो आंसर आ रहा है दैट इज कमिंग 4050 पैसे. Okay, now let's move to the next which we have is the fourth question, question number 4. So question number 4 is asking matching. So match the following. You have to match the column A with the column B. Okay, so column A which we have is first one 14 multiply 2 plus 14 multiply 6. So here we can see both are 14 and we have to do multiplication in both the cases. So we can add this one and this one. So it will become 14 multiply 2 plus 6 is 8. So can you check here is anywhere this much is not there. So we'll multiply then and check. So 14 8 times how much? 14 times 8 maybe 112. 8 4 are 32. So 2 3 carry 8 1 are 8 plus 3 is 11. So 112. So that means here this side we have in option number C, so this will be matched with option number C, wherein 112 is there. So 112, first one will match with C, 112. So this is the explanation which we have done. Just we have added these two, and after added we have just multiplied. Okay, understood? Yes, 112 जिसका भी आंसर था correct. Very nice. So next which we have is the second one. So second one क्या है? Let's see. 1/8 of 8 rupee. So 1/8 of 8 rupees is equal to how much paise that you have to see. So we have done this type of one question also. Rupees, first if you convert 8 rupees into paise, it will be 800 paise, and off means you know multiply. So this will be 1/8 multiply 8 rupees means 800 paise. And if you multiply this will be multiply with here, and यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ भी नहीं है, मतलब 1 है, so this will multiply with 1, and the answer will come like 800 paise divided by 8. This is the division sign. So if you divide this, then it will be cancel in one time. So 8 1 are 8 and 2 0, so 100 paise. That means 100 paise will be the answer which we have in option number A. So this will match with ऑप्शन नंबर ए. ऑप्शन नंबर ए के साथ ये मैच होगा. यहां पे ध्यान रखने वाला बात है कि 1/8 ऑफ 8 रुपीज ये बोला जा रहा है, तो हम लोग को 1/8 ऑफ का मतलब मल्टीप्लाई होता है, एंड 8 रुपीज मीन्स 800 पैसे. सो 800 पैसे यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करना है, तो हम लोग का सिर्फ न्यूमरेटर में है, डिनोमिनेटर में कुछ भी नहीं है, मतलब 1 कंसिडर कर सकते हो या तो छोड़ सकते हो ब्लैंक. ठीक है, तो इसको इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करके 800 रुपीज 800 पैसे हो गया डिवाइड बाय 8. सो व्हेन यू डिवाइड इट विल बी 100 पैसे. सो 100 पैसे इज द ऑप्शन नंबर 1. सो दिस विल मैच विद ऑप्शन A. So this is the second one which will be matched with option A, and option A we have is 100 paise. Okay, so this is how you can explain also how this is coming in your classwork copy. Okay, the next which we have is 2/5. So third one is asking 2/5. This is given in word. The fractional number is given in what? So 2/5 means 2/5. So where we have 2/5 in B. So this will be matched with B, which is 2/5. Okay, very simple, very easy. Now fourth which we have is 1/4 of 6 rupees. So 1/4 of 6 rupees means 6 rupees you have to divide by 4. That's all. 6 rupees you can convert into paise and then divide by 4. So 1 अगर न्यूमरेटर में रहता है, 1/4, 1/5, 1/2, 1/3, whatever it is asking of any particular amount, you have to just divide this much with this much of rupees or paise. You just convert this into paise and then divide by 4. Okay, so we know 6 rupees means 600 paise. So 600 paise divided by 4. So अगर इसको 4 से डिवाइड करोगे, let us see how much. 600 divided by 4. 4 1 are 4, 2 0 4 5 are 20. Okay, 0. So 150, right? So 150. So 150 paise will be the answer which we have the option number E. So this will be matched with option E, 150 पैसे. So ये हमारा ऑप्शन E के साथ मैच करेगा, जो कि हमारा 150 पैसे है. So this is how you can do all the questions of this test paper. ये टेस्ट पेपर का सारे क्वेश्चंस आप इस तरह से बना सकते हो. ठीक है, तो इसके अलावा अभी भी इस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर में, स्पेशली इन चैप्टर नंबर 8, एनीवन हैविंग एनी डाउट्स, किसी को कुछ भी डाउट्स है इन फ्रॉम एनी एक्सरसाइज और फ्रॉम एनी टॉपिक और इन एनी क्वेश्चन, it may be word problem, it may be miscellaneous exercise, it may be value based question, because with this we have revised up to chapter 5 to 8, and next which we have is the test paper 3. which is based on chapter number 1 to 8. So 1 to 8 पे based है, and this we will start in our next class only, because today already time is over, and you can try it by yourself, to do it by yourself. Today I am not giving any additional questions, so just you have to finish this test paper only. So today's classwork and homework both is to do the test paper only. Okay, so classwork is explain test paper 2, and homework is to complete test paper 2. Okay, homework is to complete test paper 2. Okay, so accept this. Quickly tell me everyone. If you don't have, you can tell no. If you have, you can just write the question number and exercise number. Maximum of the students are saying no, 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 no. Okay, very nice, very good. Okay. Whoever camera is stop, start your camera. जिसका भी कैमरा स्टॉप किया हुआ है, वीडियो स्टार्ट होना चाहिए सारे स्टूडेंट्स का. ठीक है, किसी का भी क्लास के ड्यूरेशन में वीडियो बंद नहीं रहेगा. ओके. Okay, everyone, then be ready for your next period. I don't think anyone else have any doubts. Okay. Rest of all, as I told you, attend your all classes. All class teacher are monitoring your performance. You send your homework, submit your homework on time. Do your class regularly. Ask your doubts, maximum to maximum doubts wherever you face any challenges, or you just talk to me wherever you face any problems. Okay. But just don't miss any class, otherwise this will not be good. Okay, thank you everyone, have a good time, take care and bye bye.